So, very warm welcome to my class, students. So, today we are going to discuss the question paper that I already sent you.
Present,
Okay.
sir.
So, I'm just going to share that question paper and I will just go through the each and every question. Okay. Then we'll come to the motion in plane part. Okay. Is it clear or not?
Good morning, sir.
Afternoon.
आफ्टरनून है.
सॉरी सर, आपको
क्वेश्चन पेपर सर.
आपको डेली सुबह देखते थे इसलिए गुड मॉर्निंग बोल दिया.
Yeah. It's only for today. Okay. So from tomorrow we'll have a scheduled class. Okay. At that time only we'll connect. Okay. Coming to this questions. Okay. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So is anyone is there who didn't send notes till now?
So many.
So
Can
many.
you tell?
Yeah, I will. I will just compile today. Today evening I will just compile the notes and I will see who is not submitted yet. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and
Yes,
please.
sir. We have sent.
Okay, please.
Yes, sir.
Those are
Yes, sir.
send. Please do not
Today
send
I'll send.
images. Okay, it is very
I'll send sir today.
need to compile those all means images file because it's like a photos in my mobile. Okay, so it floats each and everywhere. Okay, in
So
gallery.
we have sent it in,
The
sir, in
PDF form.
Yeah. But most of the means some of you are sent in the image file, so that was creating me problem. Okay. So by
Yes, sir. We have sent in PDF.
okay. By the way, coming to the first question. So the first question is the dimensional formula of coefficient of viscosity. Okay. So you should know this formula. F is equal to 6 pi eta r v, where this r is radius, v is velocity, and eta is your coefficient of viscosity, and F is force.
Sir, option B.
So yeah, it will be. So let's see
Option B, sir.
how we can calculate. So eta can
M L minus 1 T minus 1.
F
Let's solve.
6 pi r v. Okay. So if you will write like this, you can just write the dimensional formula of these. So this will be your eta is equal to force is your MLT minus 2
MLT minus 2.
and 6 pi is a constant that is dimensionless and the radius have a dimension L and this
L.
we have a
LT minus 1.
1. So once you will see here the L will cancel out and this L will go in numerator and it will become your and this T will go in numerator.
ML minus 1 T minus.
Exactly. This will become your ML minus 1 T minus 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will be the dimensional formula of coefficient of viscosity. Okay. Coming to the next question, that is a dimensional
A.
formula.
M0 L0.
A, option number A.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just
A
erasing.
solid angle has no dimensionless.
Yeah. So this is all about your dimension formula. I already told you that there are two physical quantities that are known as the supplementary quantities. These having unit but no dimensional formula. So among them is solid angle is there. So solid angle have a no dimensional formula. So for no dimensional formula, you can write this one M0 L0 T0. Okay. Okay. Now in this question, in the question number 3, it is given as a. It is given as a. It is given as in a book with many printing errors contains 4 different formula for displacement y a particle undergoing certain periodic motion, where a is the maximum displacement of the particle. Yes. Let me come. I will let you know. Okay, don't worry. So v is the speed of particle, t is the time period. Rule out the wrong formula as dimensional ground. So whatever they have written, you should just concentrate on this. Rule out the wrong formulas on dimensional ground. Actually, this question was sometimes it came in the means more than one correct, but I make it for one correct only. So you have to check on the dimensional background. So you have to check whether the formula is dimensionally means equal or not, means dimensionally correct or not. Okay. So you can see here. You can see in the first part, y is, they are saying this y is going to the, this is y is displacement basically, and this a is going to the maximum displacement. Okay. So if you are saying like this, y is your basically displacement, they have given here displacement y, and a is maximum displacement, and this is your theta, and this theta will be your dimensionless. How means theta will be your dimensionless? You can see here this will be the dimensionless, and this is correct formula. This one is your correct formula, because at the left hand side you have a dimensional formula L, and at the right hand side you still have a dimensional formula L. So the dimensional formula will be on left hand side L and right hand side L, so it will be dimensionally correct. So this will be correct. We can't remove this one, means this cannot be a valid answer. Okay, coming to the another one. This is y is equal to a sine. This is, you can see, this is, what is this? Mu into t. Okay, mu.
Sir, not dimensionally equal.
Yes, sir, it is.
Just wait.
Wrong.
V is your, this V is your speed of particle, and t.
LT minus 1.
Yeah. You
T
can
minus
see.
1 and t.
Actually, you should see like this. Y is equal to a. But if you are seeing that sign is there, okay. So here it will be whatever it is, it will be dimensionless. So we need,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
we need to focus.
Dimensionless.
We need to focus.
Dimensionally correct, sir.
Means you will focus, you will be taking as a sign as a whole. Sign as a whole means what? You will see that sign is basically dimensionless. That's big enough for you. And once again, you will see that A is going to have a dimensional formula of displacement, and Y have a formula of displacement. Okay. So this will be true. This will be true.
But sir, dimension of theta is not dimensionless. Dimensionless. It will be L, sir.
Yeah. Let me explain. Whatever you are saying, Arif, yeah, that is also correct. But if you are said that you have to choose, means out of these options you have to choose which one is correct, or means which one is wrong. So up to some extent it is correct, na? Up to some extent, but not exactly. I am also agreed that this theta should be dimensionless. But among the given option, you will see that up to this extent it is correct. Okay, yeah, totally it is wrong, because theta can't be dimensionless. Okay. So coming to this.
Okay, sir.
So coming to this, you can see by
It will be wrong, sir.
This is totally wrong. It can't
Wrong,
be.
sir. Yes.
And
Sir,
if you will see this formula, this is y is equal to a square. This is also totally wrong.
Wrong. Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If we are selecting more than means one, so you can also say this is also. Okay. If you are selecting, okay. So 4 different formula under means
Most appropriate answer.
so
A.
so this will be, no, you have to here it should be rule out the means, or you have to find out the correct formula, but wrongly it is written as rule out the wrong formula. Okay. So because 3 are means not correct, so first one is your correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now coming to the another, let me erase this. Okay. Coming to the another question.
Sir, what is viscosity? Sir, first one.
Yeah. You
So
join
viscosity.
Ansu. Its answer is
Yes, sir.
ml minus 1 t minus 1. It's a, you can say the viscosity is something, means a friction acting in a liquid. Okay, we'll come to the hydrodynamics and we'll study later on. But now you can understand this is a kind of a force acting inside the liquid surface, and I told you to find out by using this formula. F is equal to 6 pi eta RV, where eta is your coefficient of viscosity, R is radius, V is velocity, and this F is your force. You can find from here. Okay. So coming to the next. So for the next. Okay, this is one of the interesting questions. So what they have given, taking force, length, time as a fundamental quantity. Now you have to find out the dimensional formula of density. Okay?
Sir, none of these, sir.
Sir, none of these, option number D.
So
Because density will be F L
Density
minus
is
1
equal
T square.
to, sir, mass by volume.
okay,
But here M is not there.
minus 4t square. FV
Sir,
minus
density-
4t square.
okay.
Sir, density equals to
FL minus-
sir, dimensional formula of density equals to F L minus 1 T2.
Okay, let's see it. Let's understand to let's give chance to another to understand. Okay, please do not write, otherwise I will come to know who is writing here. Okay, now if you will write here,
Yes, sir.
I will come to know and I will just remove from my class. Okay, so be careful about this. Okay, so coming to this, how you can solve this question? You will write here the rho is density should equal to the F to the power A and L to the power B and T to the power C. Now you will write the dimensional formula of density. It is your ML to the power minus 3 and force is your ML T minus 2 to the power A and means your length is your L only and it is power B, and time is your T only, it's power C. Now you can just take the whose bases are same, so here it will be M to the power A
X is equal to 1.
and here L to the power it will become A plus B and T to the power it become minus,
Minus 2A plus C.
Minus 2a plus c.
and you can just ML minus 3 and you can just compare from here the powers. Okay, so so A will be 1 and L to the power minus 3 is there, so you can write A plus B
Sub y is
minus 3.
sub
You
b is
can
equal
put
to
value.
minus 4.
Yeah, you can put the value here. 1 plus B is equal to minus 3, so B will be your minus 4, and you can see from here
Sir, option number A, sir.
yeah, if you can see the 2A plus C, this is your minus 2A, na? Isn't it? Minus 2A
Yes, sir.
plus C should equal to 0. And now you can put the value of A is 1. So C is going to be equal to the how much? C is going to equal to the 2. Isn't it? C is going to equal to the 2. Okay. And you can see here, what is this? F to the power 1, L to the power minus 4, and T to the power 2. So first option, who was saying none of these? Yes? Who was that? Kutub and Aryan was there, na?
Me, sir.
No, sir.
Intelligent
I'm
ones.
saying, sir, I am
No,
saying
sir, the one who
option
equal
number
to
A.
Ryan.
I was saying option number A, sir.
And the Kutub was saying that question of, means option number D.
Yes, sir. Kutub.
No, sir, I was there, sir.
Okay, Ansuman was
नहीं
there.
सर, हम भी
Yes, sir,
हम भी थे सर, क्यों झूठ बोलें?
Honest person.
Okay, not an issue. You should say something, na? It's better to say
Yes sir.
rather than saying nothing. Okay. Coming to the another
Okay,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
we will
something
tell
is
wrong
better.
option every time.
Yeah. No, not every time, but sometime it can be. Okay.
Because we don't know the right option.
Okay. No, when you will study and you will know. Okay.
Physics is very hard, sir.
No, physics is very easy. Let me know one thing.
Very easy, sir.
Let me know one thing. Can you? I mean, can anyone tell that means
कुछ भी नहीं समझ आ रहा है.
who is that? Who is that?
Kayam.
Who is that?
Quayam.
And I think you joined.
Yes, sir.
You joined today only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
नहीं सर, उसको उसमें जो है जो छोटा छोटा आप लिख दिए होंगे ना, इसलिए उसको नहीं समझ में आया होगा.
So let me know.
नहीं बोल रहा है सर.
No, let me
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
No, let me know. For you people only, I purchased this writing pad, digital writing pad, so that it can be.
Yes, sir. From this we can understand, sir. Clearly.
Yes, sir.
And still, you are saying that कुछ भी
Yes, sir.
नहीं आ रहा है. Okay.
Sir, I think Kayam is suffering from myopia.
So I'm not going there.
Everything is clear and cut.
Okay. Actually, the main means what I wish to say is that. So coming to the next question.
I don't have so knowledge, na, that's why.
Okay. Come to the question. Okay. So the gravitational constant value in SI is this much. So this is the value of gravitational constant, that is capital G. Now this has to be converted in centimeter per gram per second square. Okay. So it is a CGS unit basically. It is your SI unit. This is your CGS unit. How you will convert it? So you can see if you wish to write this one 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 in your you can say in your SI system, you can write here meter, kilogram inverse and second to the power minus 2. Okay, and you are willing to calculate in centimeter, gram inverse, second to the power minus 2. Okay, so this is the part now. So this is we are willing to do now, isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
how we can do? I already told you what you need to do. You need to write the dimensional formula here. N1 dimensional formula of this gravitational constant. What will be it? It is your M L minus 1 T minus 2, isn't it? And N2 is your, and you have to just write here 1 1 1. Here it will be your M2 L2 power minus 1 and T2 power minus 2. Now what you need to do? You need to find out the N2. So how you can
Option
find
number A, sir.
N2? This will be your N1 and this will be your M1 by M2 and this will be your L1 by L2 to the power minus 1 and this will be your T1 by T2 to the power minus 2. Okay. So now I'm solving here. So N2 will be your N1, the value will be N1 will be constant. Now you can see in M1, in mass, it is given in kilogram. So it is meter, na? So I have written something wrong. I can use the whiteboard. Okay, please wait for that. Okay, I will be using the whiteboard. Okay.
Yes, sir. That will be more clear.
Yeah, I can understand. Okay, now let me know the value. Let me know the value first. So N means
6.67.
6.67 into 10 to the
7
power
into
minus.
10 to the power minus 11
What was the unit?
Newton meter square per kilogram.
Okay, so in which we have to convert? What was that unit?
CGS.
Let me know the value now. What was that?
Sir, centimeter gram second minus 2.
Okay, it was centimeter gram inverse second to the power minus 2. It isn't, it was, no? Okay. So how you can write like this, N1. So this will be your 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. And the unit we can write, we can just explode this Newton. Okay. And this Newton is nothing, it's your kilogram meter per second square. And now you can write all these values. Meter square. So this is your per kilogram meter square, isn't it? So this is the case.
Yes, sir.
This unit was given na Newton meter square, and this is per kilogram square. Yes, this is the case. So once you will solve it, it will become your kilogram to the power -1. It will be your kilogram to the power -1, and this will be your meter to the power -3, and this will be your second to the power -2, isn't it? It will be or not?
6.67 into 10 to the power -8, sir.
Okay, so let's see it. So here I have written what? Centimeter, and it was your gram. Okay, so there should be, here should be centimeter to the power -3. Okay, there was mistake in a question paper. Okay, it's my mistake. It should be okay, because the CGS unit is this one. The CGS unit is this one. Okay, are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Getting,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Getting.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, getting. Yes, sir.
So now we can N1 dimensional formula will become how much? Mass is your this m to the power -1, L to the power -3, oh, plus 3,
Minus.
plus 3.
So plus 3. Yes, yes, plus 3.
Here it will be plus. Okay. And the T power
So T -2.
-2, and now you can just write here 1 and N2, and once again it will be your M2 power -1, L2 power 3, and T, and this will be your 2 power -2. You are willing to calculate N2, so N2 will be your N1, and you can write here M1 by M2 to the power -1, and L1 by L2 to the power 3, and in case of the T1 by T2 power -2. Now you can solve it. So this will become N2 is equal to N1 will be your 6.67 into 10 power -11, and if you are writing here, it is your M1 is there, and M1 is in kilogram. Okay, so you will write like here
kg upon gram.
1000 gram upon 1 gram to the power -1, and for the length L1, length is in meter, so in 1 meter there will be 100 centimeter upon 1 centimeter to the power 3, and in time will be here, both will be 1 second only, to the power -2. So once you will solve it, 6.67 into 10 to the power
10 to
-11.
the power
Now
-11.
this -1 is there, this will come in this 1 10 power 3 it will become, and this is 100 to the power 3, so this will be your
10 to the power 1/2.
So 6 will be there, na? 10 power 6
Yes.
will 10 power 2 into 3. So once you will solve it, 6.67 into 10 power -11, and once it will be solved, it will become +3. So it will become 6.67 into 10 power -8. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this will be the answer.
Yes.
Okay, it become clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm just I stopping to share this page, coming to the questions. Okay. Okay, coming to the question now. Question. Okay, so the first option is correct. Okay, but here there
Yes,
was
sir.
typographical error. This should be 3. Okay,
They are only centimeter power 1.
pardon.
So they are only centimeter to the power 1 and we have solved taking power 3.
Oh, yeah, actually, this was that I am saying that there was a typographical error. That's why you have given option none of these also. Okay. Once you will solve none of these, it will be marked as a correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So coming to this, they are saying that the refractive index of water is found to this. Okay. And have value this 1.29, 1.33, 1.34, 35, 32, 36, 30. Find the percentage error. So you people have just find or not? So the percentage error, the percentage error will be, you can see here, the percentage error is your delta A bar divided by A bar into 100. This will be the case. Percentage error will be your delta A bar divided by A bar into 100. Have you solved it?
1.5.
Sir, wait a
Yeah. I'm just I remember the answer. Yes, it is 1.5. It is correct. Okay, so I'm not solving this.
Solve it.
So I have to solve.
No, sir, don't solve it, sir.
Okay, coming to the another question, question number 7, because it will take certain time. Okay, that's why I'm not going. But I have gone through this type of question. Okay.
Yes.
1.5, sir.
Simple formula base.
Okay. So they have given the current 3.5 close to the metallic conductor. Potential difference is this much. Find the
The
resistance.
6 plus minus 1.14.
So this will be V by I. Okay. But this is the case for V by I, and you will do here. The 21 divided by 3.5. How much it will be?
3.5.
How much it will be? 21 divided by 3.5.
6.
6. This will be your 6 ohm, but you need to find out the delta R as well. So delta
Yes, sir.
R
Error.
by R will be your delta V by V plus delta
By B plus delta I by I multiply by R.
So
Or multiply by R.
yeah, delta V by V, how much it will be? Delta V by V 1 by 21.
The answer will be 1.14, sir.
So whatever it will be, let me just let you know the process. And it will be your 0.5 divided by 3.5, and you need to just multiply with your R, that is your 6, and this will be your delta R. Now you can solve now.
Yes, sir.
So answer will be written in form of R plus minus delta R. Delta R you can find this way.
6 plus minus 1.14.
Yeah. Yes, Anjali, are you there? Are you getting or not? You will say that these people are just
Yes,
hijacking
sir.
class. Okay. It's
Yes,
that,
sir.
huh? Okay. Coming to the another question.
नहीं यार.
Okay. Coming to the 8th question. The 8th question is your, which of the following pairs of physical quantity does not have a same dimensional formula?
The tension and surface tension.
Yeah. Work and torque will have a same dimensional formula. Angular momentum
sir.
and Planck constant, we can check for this. The angular momentum will have a dimension.
MVR sin theta.
MVR.
MVR sin theta.
Will have a dimensional formula. Look here. The momentum
ML T minus 1.
Yeah, it will be ML square T minus
ML square T minus 2.
T minus
ML
1.
square T minus 1.
T minus 1. And the Planck constant, you can calculate the Planck constant.
Energy upon frequency.
Yeah, it will be your ml square T minus 2 divided by frequency is your time period, now inverse of time.
T minus 1.
So this will become the same. Now you can say impulse and linear momentum. Once again, impulse is nothing, it's a change in momentum.
Yes, sir.
So this option, this tension is not.
Tension and surface tension.
Okay, so this will be the correct answer, tension and surface Okay. Coming to the next question. Abhishek, the sound is coming from your side. If you are saying something, then let me know. Otherwise, mute yourself. No, the background noise is not good. Okay. So the given you measure two quantities A, B. Okay. We should report correct value of under root AB. So
1.4 plus minus 0.2.
how will you will solve this one if they are saying that you have to find this one under root AB?
So first we will calculate AB, then we will square root.
No, this is under root AB. Okay. So this is nothing but you need to find out the multiplication of AB. Yeah, that was correct. Multiplication means you can say like this. This is the case. This is the case. Now it becomes fine. Okay. And you are willing to just calculate it under root AB. So how you can find out? For AB, you can just multiply these two. This will be 2 only. Okay? This will be 2 only. But if you are willing to calculate plus minus under root AB, yeah, plus minus AB. So plus minus delta AB. So for that, you need to write in a manner. How you can
Half
write?
into delta A by A plus half into delta B by B.
Yeah, for half you need to write. Yeah, it will be. So this will be your half delta A by A plus half delta B by B. Now you have find out the value of AB. You can find out the value of this under root AB, under root delta AB. Okay, and you can now write like actually 1.4 will be same because under root 2 is your 1.4, 1.41. Okay, and
Yes,
for that this
sir.
this value has to be calculated. Okay. Okay. Coming to this question, the last question, that is very means the very interesting question. I'm just erasing. Yeah.
Option number A, sir.
So let's check
Number A.
what they have given.
Minus Q upon R.
What they have given so far, and now we'll discuss what could be the answer. They have given PQR or physical quantities have a different dimensions. So if they are saying the different dimension, which of the following combination can never be Weiss-Rizvi? If it is your first class, then please be aware it can be also your last class. Okay, so please do not write. Okay, so coming to, if they are saying that PQR are the physical quantities having different dimensions. So if they have a different dimensional formula PQR, so we can write P minus Q?
No, sir, not
Because
possible.
it will be only possible if you are writing like
When
this.
it has same dimension.
Yeah, if you are writing P minus Q or P plus Q, then it will be only possible when both have a same dimensional formula.
Dimension. Yes.
So the P and Q, they are already saying that these does not have a same dimensional formula. These are not same physical quantity. So A will be your correct answer. You can see here, you didn't need to go here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. A
You will
is your
find answer and you will see this will be the answer. Okay. So this is all about today's class. So we'll be connecting next tomorrow. I will send the timing and links, and that will be from the previous timing.
So that will be normal time, na, sir?
Yeah, that
From
will be,
9 o'clock.
Yeah. Okay, and we'll discuss the motion in plane. Okay, that's it for today. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.